Good morning. This is the new Manitou MLT635 with 130 horsepower, and it's a power shift transmission in it. It also has the black boom, so this is the new model. As you can see, new exhaust. It's similar, the same, but it's also a little different. You also see the cabin, that's different. As you can see here, the entrance is also better now to get in. The handbrake is also different, so it's easier exit when you enter the machine. New design on the inside, as you can see. So it's very nice. This is also low because now your arm is straight and not up like this. It's now straight. Now you hear the noise, but when I close it, it's pretty better. So this is also the new screen. There's different stuff. This is the hand throttle, as you can see. Also new. If you want airco, you press the airco button. As you can see. As you can see, I only push down and the boom extract in. And do nothing, see my finger? And it's also more out. That's a nice feature. Now I'll do it by myself. Let's see what it does. Looks like it's also faster, the boom up and down. Here are also some buttons. When I turn this one, you see that one. Now also for the new buttons of your four-wheel steering, it's not a joystick anymore, but now is buttons. The fan is also now a button. The power shift buttons, radio, it's also a lock box. more on the back, as you can see. It's a wider screen. And the boom goes out again. The features at the front. Also a joystick for the mirrors. As you can see now, I can put my feet over here. It's a very nice machine, the new Manitou. We hope the customers all, we hope that they do also. Thank you.